Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a few tips for urban sketchers. That would be line work for loose urban sketching. If you're new to urban sketching, then this is important. Point number one is to keep the lines loose. I'll explain further. And two is no need to fill all the details. And point number three, hash the lines for darker values. So let's take an example of it and let me show you how this works. So in this first sketch, I'm going to do the sketch with the straight lines, okay, and I'm not going to draw the darker areas, and I'm not going to cross hatch as well. Only straight lines to keep it simple, like how it is done usually, right? And just filling the details whatever I see in the picture, and I'm going to fill all the details, okay. In this example, this is example number one. Drawing the line, I'm filling out the bricks as well, okay. As I can see the bricks in the picture, I'm filling the big bricks in the same straight motion, straight lines. It will make a difference when we apply those three techniques. If you are new to urban sketching, this will make a huge difference when you go out and sketch, because urban sketching on the real locations, you don't have much time to work on everything and all those small details. So you will have to be really quick and loose to get the depth of the picture. Adding the windows and some small lines. There are some straight lines here as well. Generally we tend to do that because there are lines whatever we see. Adding the minor details also. I'm not hatching or giving the darker values in this thing, because that's how a beginner does the things. And the next sketch, if you see, I'm losing up all the lines and keeping that crooked lines, or breaking the lines also, sometimes broken lines, if you can see. Yes, I'm doing that because that will add more depth to your sketch whenever you're doing it in the live. And also it will allow you to free hand motion you can do, and need not stick with the perfect straight lines, okay. This kind of loose lines allow you to go with the flow, and you can have that flexibility, except that basic proportions obviously you'll have to maintain. You can see the difference, how it looks between the previous straight lines and the crooked loose lines in the next sketch. Pretty visible here, and everything is like crooked, broken, wobbly. We can do a little bit of more wobbly portions also, but I'm keeping it pretty loose and crooked is what in this sketch. It's a simple one. It just takes a small amount of time, hardly 10 minutes to do this kind of sketch. Initially, if you're an urban sketcher, it's better you practice with pencils and pens initially, to get that swift and the motion of the picture. After practicing probably sometimes and few times, you will get the speed and everything. Now if you see, I'm just not drawing all the bricks, okay. I'm not filling all the details, as I said. Only few bricks, because human eye can perceive the rest. Can give only small details and few details, if I say, not all the details. And then cross hatching the darker values gives depth, okay. It'll get that picture, we can see that picture more realistically if you cross hatch the lines. Some darker values where I can see some shadows. There are many cross hatching techniques. Probably we can discuss those cross hatching techniques in another video. So I'm just shading the darker values with the same pen. I'm using a fine tip pen. Anything works, ball pen or a fine tip pen or pencil as well. So this kind of sketching helps urban sketchers a lot. If you're a beginner, then these things you should apply in your sketches when you're doing it on a live location. To keep it really quick, I'm hatching a little bit faster. The darker values, the shadows, and even the bricks also. Only few details I'm giving just to give that hint of a brick. And I think that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next video with some more tips on urban sketching. Bye.